The Qlife Racer Electric Bike is an impressive blend of power, versatility, and rugged design, ideal for adults seeking a reliable mountain biking experience. With its robust features and thoughtful engineering, this bike aims to offer a thrilling ride both on and off the beaten path. At first glance, the Qlife Racer stands out with its sleek aesthetics and modern design. The frame is made from high-grade aluminum, which ensures durability without adding excessive weight. Weighing in at just around 50 pounds, this bike strikes a good balance between sturdiness and lightweight performance, making it easy to maneuver on trails as well as city roads. The matte finish and minimalistic branding add a touch of sophistication, appealing to riders of all ages. One of the most notable features is the 21-speed gearing system, which provides a wide range of options suited for various terrains. The gear changes are smooth and reliable, thanks to the Shimano components, allowing riders to navigate steep hills, rocky paths, or flat surfaces with ease. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or a newcomer, the 21-speed system offers ample flexibility to adapt to your riding style and preferences. The electric component of the Qlife Racer is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides a substantial range. Depending on the terrain and riding mode, you can expect anywhere from 30 to 50 miles on a single charge. The bike comes with 3 assist modes: Eco, Standard, and Sport, allowing you to control how much power you want the motor to provide. The Eco mode is perfect for leisurely rides or when you want to conserve battery life, while the Sport mode gives you that extra boost to tackle steep inclines or to keep up with cycling enthusiasts. One of the highlights of the Qlife Racer is its 500W brushless motor, which delivers impressive torque and acceleration. The motor is designed to kick in smoothly, providing just the right amount of assistance without feeling jerky. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may be intimidated by steep hills or long rides. The throttle response is instantaneous, allowing you to achieve speeds of up to 28 miles per hour with ease. This makes the bike suitable for both commuting and adventurous weekend rides. The suspension system deserves special mention. The front fork is equipped with a hydraulic suspension that absorbs shocks effectively, making it a pleasure to ride over bumps and rough terrains. This feature not only enhances comfort but also improves control, allowing the rider to maintain stability at higher speeds. The bike is fitted with 26-inch all-terrain tires that provide excellent grip, whether you're tackling rocky trails or navigating slick urban roads. Braking is another critical aspect of any mountain bike, and the Qlife Racer does not disappoint. It comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, offering reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The brakes engage smoothly and provide confidence-inspiring control, which is essential when descending steep hills or navigating tight corners. Comfort is paramount in any bike, and the Qlife Racer features an adjustable saddle that caters to different rider heights. The seat is well padded, ensuring a comfortable ride even during long distances. Additionally, the bike's design allows for an upright riding position, reducing strain on the back and wrists, which is a common complaint among cyclists. In terms of additional features, the Qlife Racer includes an integrated LED headlight and taillight, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. This is a thoughtful addition for those who plan to use the bike for commuting or are often out after dark. The bike also includes a built-in digital display that shows essential metrics like speed, distance traveled, and battery level, making it easy to monitor your ride. While the Qlife Racer Electric Bike boasts numerous advantages, it's not without a few minor drawbacks. The assembly process can be somewhat complex, and some users may require assistance to get everything set up correctly. Additionally, while the bike performs well on most terrains, extreme off-road conditions may challenge the limits of its capabilities. In conclusion, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is an outstanding choice for anyone looking for a versatile and